All right, yeah, what's going on, everyone? So in the video, we're going to talk about my rejections that I've had over the past 2 years or so. I had a few people in the comments, a few people in my YouTube comments talk about, let's talk about more about the rejections. And I'm going to go in this video and show you a few designs that I have done with the rejections. And I'll show you actually the actual listing so you guys can check it out and see what you guys thinking. Let's just throw it out there and see what happens. You know what I mean? Just kind of throw it out there and to show you guys, like, I'll show you the actual design and the listings and the keywords and everything. And see if you guys can. I haven't went back to it because it's a Donald Trump design, and I hate messing with presidential stuff. Anything with politics or anything like that, I do not like to make shirt designs around. But I do have one design that's been doing really well. It's a Donald Trump design, of course, and that's been doing pretty well. Yeah, and one of the problems I've been running into is like when I'm making like drinking shirts, any type of beer, wine, any type of alcohol shirt, I accidentally uploaded to the youth. Now they barely came out with that. That's the most rejections that I have had on my account, was because of that. So the other day I had 6 rejections because of one keyword that I put in the bullet points, and I fixed it, and I kind of go into detail about it in the video. So go ahead and check that out too as well. So let's get into the computer. All right, yo, what's going on, everyone? So everyone's been asking the last, I think the last couple of days, I've been making some videos and stuff like that, and people are looking, they're checking out. I'm at tier 14K, and then they're coming in over here and looking at the rejections, the rejections that I have. I'll have over, so I have 42 rejections all time on my account, but I want you guys to pay attention to this. So I have 42 rejections all time, but then I have 23,000 like all-time products sold. Sorry, so this right here with the pretty merch right here, but I don't know, for some reason it says I need to upgrade to Pro, and I already have the subscription for Pro. It's acting kind of weird today. But yeah, so I have 42 rejections all time. Yesterday when I was uploading, I uploaded a few designs yesterday, and I got 4 rejections. No, it was actually, sorry. So it was 6 rejections, I'm sorry. And it was on the youth. I was uploading some designs and I accidentally put tequila in the bullet points, and they caught that. So Amazon's big. So if anything alcohol related towards any youth shirts or kid shirts, whatever you want to call it, they will actually like reject your design. So I wanted to kind of come in here into the account and just kind of show you a few of the rejections that I got, and you guys can check it out. But yeah, that was for the most part. Everything is like the rejections on my account. I had one takedown a long time ago, because when they switched the rules around with Merch by Amazon, they're always switching the rules around a lot, just trying to make the platform better and stuff like that. But I had one where it had like a cuss word on the shirt. At one point in time, it was okay. At the very beginning, it was okay to have cuss words on the shirt, and then they actually put in a new rule that you couldn't have that. So I forgot to take one down, and I got a hit for that. But that wasn't really wasn't anything too big, I believe. You know what I mean? Because I wasn't really trying to do it. I just forgot about it. You know, and they took it down. Now, Merch by Amazon, they're not out there to get you. You know what I mean? They want you to be successful on this platform. And that's the thing. That's a lot of people think they're out there to get them. But of course, you got to understand the rules and stuff like that. You got to make sure you're doing everything correctly. That's a big thing with them. So, like, if you're on the platform trying to do like any type of Super Bowl designs or anything like that, they're gonna, you know what I mean? They're gonna come out and they're gonna get you. So you got to pay attention to stuff like that. You got to understand the platform, understand what you can and can't do. So that's one of the most important things. Like, if you're designing for something, understand the design and make sure the design is okay to make. You don't want to come and make a design and then you get a reject. Like in the lower tiers, if you're in the lower tiers and you have 42 rejections, that's going to look bad, you know? So, they're not, like I said, they're not out to get you, but if you don't understand the rules and you're just kind of just going out there and just trying to just upload and just trying to hurry up and make a quick profit, most of the time, a lot of people lose their accounts because they're trying to do that. So do not do that. So do not do that. That's big right there. But, for the most part, like, pretty much my rejections are just from, like, I accidentally put like a keyword in there together. I think there was a while back, probably about last year, about a year ago. So about a year ago, I actually had one design where I put like barbecue, like it was a barbecue design, but it had, and the keywords, I accidentally put like two keywords together, and I got a hit for that for about, I think it was like about 2 or 3. And, I was, what is that? And then I looked it up, and it was like a barbecue restaurant. And I was like, oh man, I didn't mean to do that. So if I just took out that one keyword, it would have been okay. So that's, you know what I mean? It's kind of, you just got to pay attention to stuff like that. You got to be careful. I know there's people that come in here and they just, they try to abuse like, sayings and stuff like that. That's another thing that you got to be careful about. There's actually going into that. Speaking about, there's a group, the Trademark Watchdogs, and they're actually big on, actually going against stuff like that. And they've been doing really well with that. So I'll kind of give them a shout out in the video. I'll put their actual information down below with their Facebook group, because you got people out there making, trying to trademark sayings and stuff like that. And it just like, it's not fair. Like, you shouldn't be doing trademarks, or you like trademark a saying, and you like, you know what I mean? It's just unfair to people. Like when you have a, there's one design. It's like it was trademark. It was like, this girl loves pigs, you know what I mean? This girl loves, like, with that saying, this girl, like, they were trying to trademark that, and I think I got a takedown from that, too, a while ago. But, little things like that, you know what I mean? This girl likes dogs, you know what I mean? This girl likes, like, I'm pretty sure it was that saying. But, here, let me see if I can show you guys a few examples. I'm gonna blur some of this stuff out. Yeah, I'm gonna blur some of this stuff out. Come over here to filter on the right hand side. If you guys come over here to the right hand side, it will say the filter. Click on it, and then you can kind of scroll down and click on rejections. Here is a recent, and I want to show you guys. Here's the wine. Here's the wine design that I did, and it was I accidentally uploaded it to kids, as you guys can see. Right here. Oh, and I uploaded it to a kid's youth shirt. And of course, and like anything alcohol related, you cannot do that. And that's so sad. I got 2 rejections right here, as you guys can see. And then down below, Trump. There's one right here. I uploaded. This is like one of the Trump designs that I uploaded. I'm not sure exactly where this trademark, and maybe you guys can, hey, this is a perfect example. Maybe you guys can, you guys know right here, you guys can see. Let's actually click on this. Let's make an example out of myself. Because you guys know, like, I'm not in here trying to abuse the system at all. I'm just this right here. I know, I'm not even sure what this, like, Trump said something or had to do something around Trump. And I made a few designs about it. And of course, you know, Trump just, you know what I mean? Trump is his own niche. Donald Trump is his own niche, but he, as you can look, you can even see in here too. Like, the people are searching for this keyword. And that tool right there too is keywords everywhere. You guys can see up here, I highlighted it up here. But that seems like a word that he used. Bigly. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right. But I'm not even sure. Like, if you guys can make an example in here, and if you guys can see what keywords that I use. And I was thinking it was this right here, because I don't even know. But I just wanted to show you guys an example. Kind of just show you like some of the rejections that I got on my account. They're nothing too big. Just a few little mistakes that I have made over time. I had this account probably for about 3 years all time, and then I didn't start going into it like full time until like a little bit of, like 2 years into it, or a year and a half or something around there. But this account is like a really good, I'm pretty sure it's in really good standings. If you look at the rejections compared to the sales sold all time, and then like the uploads and stuff like that. Let's see the bullet points, because I'm not sure why this design got rejected. Maybe deplorables. Huh. Let's show the bullet points, just in case you guys catch anything. You guys probably already caught it in the title. I'm not even sure. Yeah, just show you one that I have not even edited this one right here. When I got a rejection on this one, I just kind of just left it and just kind of moved on to something else. I really don't like to touch on Donald Trump too much because of this. One of the reasons, like, I think I probably had another design too that was actually rejected from making anything around Donald Trump. I'm kind of a little iffy around making designs around him, and I actually have a shirt that's doing really well with a Donald Trump saying on it, but I kind of just stay away from Donald Trump for the most part. But yeah, I just wanted to just kind of give you guys an insight. If you guys, like I said, it's just focus on like kind of know the rules and everything like that. And then once you know everything, then you just kind of go full head of steam. But sometimes you run into little mistakes like this, and I just want to just go into detail and kind of just show you guys a little bit. And this is one listing right here. You guys can check it out. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about my rejections or anything, just comment down below. I hope this helped, and yeah.